What is going on, guys? So today we will be talking about ZCash, right? Currently ranked at 71. So again, if you guys are already current subscribers, you know the drill. Go ahead and skip to a minute and a half. If you're new here, I will basically just be explaining how I'm going to be breaking down the video, and then we'll just get right into it. So I'll be looking at the market cap, total supply, circulating, and max supply. Will that impact the price? Obviously, because if there's only 10% in circulation, right, the price is going to be different in the future. Or if everything's out there, then we can just go based off that. Then we're going to go to trading view, right? I'm just going to be doing a pure technical analysis. What I mean by that is I'm not going to take into account any outside information or anything that I personally know. I will just be doing it based off of the charts here, right, at this point. And then from that point on, we're going to go over and hop to the website, where we'll be breaking down the website, being does it have real world use potential, and if so, how will that impact the price, and if not, we'll just go based off the technical analysis. Then from that point on, we will be needing to answer this question: will this be one of the 10 cryptos that I invest $10,000 into to get fucking rich, right? Because that is the main goal, right? We're not here for the fun and giggles. We're here to make a crap ton of money. So that's about it. A quick breakdown of myself, if you guys don't know. I'm the dude that ended up calling out Bitcoin at 20K back when it was at 5K in 2017, as well as I'm also bought Dogecoin 3,500 back in 2016 and turned that into $1.9 million. So let's get straight into it. So Zcash right here, circulating supply, right? 13 million total. 13 million, so exactly what's out there. Max supply 21 million, which is exactly like Bitcoin's. So not too shabby. Right here, we're gonna draw. We can see it peaked right here at $371. Pretty high peak, not even gonna lie. The one thing I don't like about peaks like that is it makes it a lot more bearish currently on the technical analysis factor than anything else. Okay. And bada. Okay. So a couple things that we can see here is we are currently getting very close to its resistance. You guys can see kind of bounced at its resistance and went back up, right? Resistance at 162, currently at 168. So all it really right now has to do is kind of break past this point right here in that 174 range. So basically once it breaks above 175, right, it's basically a nice clear shot to right around that 250 range, which is not bad. And then from that point on, right, all-time highs. However, you guys can see by the downtrend here, it is currently a lot more pressure to go into this triangle pattern. And which basically means, right, it's most likely going to consolidate down and then rise back into that 160 range to basically then make a more realistic 220, 230 range. Because, right, just a straight jump from here to here, that's pretty insane because it'd just be like, whew. But yeah, so right, we can see that then by this point, just clear range would be February of 2022. However, this pattern would be more realistic. But yeah, so that's kind of what it's looking like. However, I do think it's going to break this a lot more easier if the bull run continues. However, if this just kind of consolidates, it's most likely just going to end up in this pattern right here. So before a swing trade or buy in, personally, I would wait. But yeah, so let's go over to their website. Privacy and convenience. Zcash is a digital currency, fast and confidential, with low fees. Great. Send Zcash. Fee 0.00001. If we take that by the current price, we're basically right under 0.2 of a cent. So again, like no fees at all. A better way to pay. Now, if you guys remember, I did a video back on Dash where I ended up downloading it because it's like the crypto Venmo. And Zcash is kind of, again, doing the same thing. However, as using both, I have come to the conclusion that Dash is actually easier to use. Now, this is a real-world application, However, the thing about it is it's easily copyable. So at that point, it's what is the easiest and best way to use it, right? Because also, if we go to Dash here, Dash has been around a lot longer than ZCash has, right? Dash's price is higher up, less supply, as well as it has been around a lot longer than ZCash has. But if you guys don't know, that basically Dash's website, let me go down here, if I can click on it, there we go, right? We can see that I personally just like using Dash a lot better, right? Let me pull it up on my phone really quick here. So yeah, so you guys can see that basically Dash is right there. That's just my wallpaper for motivation. But yeah, so again, easily copyable. So again, is it good? Yes, it is. Basically, it's just gonna come down to competition and who makes the best and easiest and most fun to use, right? Because it's not just about ease and fees always. It's also then gonna be like, okay, why use this, right? Because if both have the same exact like low fees, or let's just say it goes to no fees, right? Which most stuff ends up going down to anyways. So no fees, and then from that point on, it's the same speed. Okay, well, why should I choose one over the other, right? Then it comes down to a fun factor, right? Or in a social factor. So that's kind of what I think is gonna happen here. Let's go back to ZCash. But yeah, so that's kind of my viewpoint. However, I do think it will have a positive impact on the price. So realistically, 250 is very doable for ZCash, right? New all-time highs, not really sure on that, right? $400 is doable as well, but that's only 2x, and that's kind of a low return, so this will not be one of the ones I will be investing into. But yeah, so that's the video for today, and if you guys want some free stuff, don't be afraid to click the links down below, and if you did like the video, don't forget to like and sub, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.